Hello, in front of me I've got POCO C40. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter passwords and security, and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 3 types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. Let's start with pin. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select password, and again let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select pattern. Now we can set up fingerprint unlock, and the fingerprint sensor is located right here on the back of the phone. Simply tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.